Meghalaya bat iprian subhai pi shagani ke thup kubor mta ke janmit chon phaji kubor ke bapnya ini pet chwai kemat bakongsan. Thumu ke sarkar bat sedang terekam ya ke Shillong Medical College and Hospital nadu ubnai nailor arhajar afrun rew. Aju menjor ke sarkar ya ke tentang komuniti ke bertemai berterekam ya ke 108 Emergency Ambulance Services. Ang Menteri ke sarkar jela bat nongilam ke seng BJP uba AL hack babon ki nongilam kin sapnya sok syak BJP hadian ke election Lok Sabha. En pan kai pot ke sarkar na ke Animal Welfare Board halor ke jing kai masih bean. Badan penkela ke BCCI kemadan kurkelang ke badan haribhoi sekemadan nilai kai kriket ke bakat kum ke national standard. Kikubor ke bapnya. Kementeri Berdaya ke tenat ke koi ke kia ikong emperin lengdok ila penmena bak sarkar Meghalaya ketemu ban sedang terekam ya ke Shillong Medical College and Hospital nadu benai nailor senam arhajar penriu. Ke sarkar jelah ke singi ke kmi ya ke jingat syakmat jong ke jing menteri ke bala slam jong ke Shillong Batura Medical College and Hospital. Kini ke menteri ke pentip ru ba ke sarkar jelah ke penkreat hi dalade na ke bentah ke jing jurup ke ban sepenlong da ke National Medical Council. Ke sarkar ke sepenlong ru ya ke jing tep kam ya ke doktor ke bekentup ya ke military doctor ki bala syong thaj bat ke bala ban hikai.
And progressing rapidly. Tura Medical College, we expect it to be likely operational sometime 26-27. Not able to really give a definitive time frame because it is going to be difficult. We are still working on a lot of the infrastructure institutioning because it is very necessary. If everything goes right, Shillong Medical College should be functional by September of 2026. We are on road. Looks like we may be able to do it. In fact, we've had several consultations with doctors already in the system, and we will have to also open out expression of interest to doctors.
Ke sarkar jelang ke aju menjur ya ke tanda komuniti ke bertemai ban penderekam ya ke 108 Emergency Ambulance Services Meghalaya. Haba penmena ya kini ke Menteri Berdaya ke tenat ke kot kia ikong emperin lengdo ilang ba ke tenat kan ya syakmat harengkat bat kiwei ke tenat ke badan kam ha ke tanda komuniti kenang ba enlak ban tep ha ke jaka batli bat bakan amja syu kum balong ha ke atli ke tanda ke beladam. Ke sarkar jelang ke penduduk ya kerukum tep tanda haduk laisin ke bentar bantung ya kinong penyai ambulance services ha ke jelah.
So that all of these lacunae that resulted post-tender in the last two tenders that were called should not reoccur. We regret that happened. We sincerely regret it, but we should not regret and not take action. So today I have approved the new tender committee, and this time we should do things correctly.
Menteri ke sarkar jelah baru nongilam ke seng BJP uba AL hack ulakam babon nak nongilam seng san perthe ha ke jelah kin sapnya so sya ke BJP hadian jong ke election Lok Sabha. Habai keran bekilat thai kubor uba hack ulang ba lada nongilam rang ba katau Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakwa ban penyesok ke seng kelap yang subha ya u. Uba hack dangshan ubla penlong ke jinglap election nak bentar ke seng ha kanong ba Delhi ulakam ba ke BJP ke yok khur palat saus pat li ki syuki. Uba hack ulakan taj ru halor ke jing kenok ba ke nongilam ke seng kim tre shitam ha ke por belap election da ke baong ba mauhi ula penlong ke jinglap election nak bentar ke NPP ha ke constituency ke jong u.
But if you want to join, we are welcome. This is not a BJP to arrange the logistic support. It is the party who contests election to arrange the support. Whether they are getting or not getting, that I have no idea at all. See, I have campaigned in my constituency. I have campaigned to other two constituencies also. That I have done my duty.
ka kertong lok sabha jong keseng NPP National Constituency kong amprin lengdo ne kasngi lapelong ilaang ba ke election MP kamlang ka basuk ban khmi bat amdan manu bala ban batai lupa ya kejing job jong jong noda ka bape ya kejing risa hadin bala tap vote da ke kin hon san perthei ikang amprin ilaang bawat lada rem ne job an yo nong ka sarkar ya kejing ilap jing election lok sabha ka jong i ha ka ba ila ya leng ba ki benta jong ki lapin ridley constituency ki ba hapo Shillong constituency ha ka ba le yo jing tip ki ba paka halor ka e ba de ban le bat hai.
Either ways, win or lose, government will benefit from my candidature. I have been to every nook and corner of one Shillong parliamentary seat. I now know what government has to do. I have gone there in person. Fourth thing, if you say that Meghalaya has not progressed, then you are seriously joking. Because I have gone to 36 constituencies, minus mine, 35. The progress is very, very clear. We have better roads, we have better health facilities, the employment generation and opportunities across the 36 constituencies is very good. And I have seen that housing facilities for people has improved substantially.
Menteri Beripe ya ketnat kami lekai ba Shakler Wajri ulang ba ke sarkar jela kadang yai temu yo penlong ya ke National Games da ke benrap ba ke sarkar kala dep lut ban penkre ban yo penlong ya ke ni kelempung ula benrap syu ba ke ladan Bonteli ki stadium ba ke indoor hall ki ya ke baladete habaro ke ni kawai ke jela ha ke ju kapor ni menteri lo penna ba ketnat ketemu ban penkria bon ki jingtain Shaniu Shillong Township namar ke jing khap nya palat kenong ba Shillong
to entirely shift to the new Shillong Township, which I feel it's much better. It'll be much easier for all the athletes because traveling in Shillong, there's a lot of traffic, so it becomes a little difficult for all the players and athletes. So we have a plan in place to shift most of our coming up the structures that will come up in the new Shillong Township.
Menteri Ketnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ba ALHEC unsapan ya kai pot nak district chairman jong Animal Welfare Board halor ke chalan ya masih sya kari bamarjan kata Sri Bangladesh kamat ha ka bede bat ke chalan ya masih na Meghalaya Bangladesh kalaya menta palat sistem ha ka balasaki da ke jingyo grup bamanla ki por ya masih hasilin ter ki jaka kapod da ki sipai BSF hadin balayo ia ke kai paru ba hek ulang ba sarkar kan seshim ya kesinjam bantel akam ya kani ke bentah
Here and there, so what is happening? So you just need to get things done. So without a report to how we will take any decision.
Menteri Ketnat Sports kami Meghalaya ba Shakler Wajri ulah mentib ba sarkar jela kadang dan hapdeng ke jing ekran bat ke BCCI ban perkelaya ke stadium Hamadan Kurkalang Hariboy District sya ke cricket stadium ke bahe ke bolong kat kum ke national standard watla ke la ban simpor sa kumba ar ne live nai ban simrai khadu habe ekran sepang ke jing kentiu ya ke jakai lekai ke jela ulah ang ba ke JN Stadium Sports Complex Shillong ke bala depan bha an supply no hop nai no pra kini ke stadium ka bala yo pan bha kan doni ke madani lekai ke bala tap dau plang ba shisha
Which we are planning for a very big cricket stadium. So it's not that we're looking only at football. We do have a plan in place for cricket as well, in many disciplines. We talk about swimming pool, we are planning for swimming pools, we're planning for tennis. So there are so many things that we're planning. So it's not entirely that our focus is only on football, but our focus is on sports as a whole. The progress is doing well. We actually in time to December to inaugurate the JN Stadium.
Ki runar bomla ban itu kila prong jubor hakaying manejong kabalang Presbyterian ha Dihar Hariboy District enen gamit bat shimru ya kapisa ki khiu sentiu ki bawon ra na shabar nalor kila penjulor ru ya kitiar gitar bat ki jing don jing am hapo kan ki mane kini kinong tu kila rung jubor shapo kan ki mane da ki jing penpat ya ki jing khayet kat kum ki jing thu jong no yalam kabalang Dihar Presbyterian Church uba RB Shadap kejing don jing am hapo kan kejing mane kala julor pat bon ki tiar bathiat na sabar kala jalut ulah pentip ru ba kane kadai kasien ke beneng kam dai kasien ke beneng kong ba kum kane kajing sya tu kelajah ha king mane balang Presbyterian Dihar wala kajing sya ha kasien beneng kong semlapan pa pat ba ya kane kajing jala de pentip syakador ba snong bat syaki pulit ru kumjo ban le ya ke badan kam
yang tak ki klong sentiu ki ba guna bu barok ni yang mana ki bahaya barok lara alut kenang tak ada pe yang ni sentiu lah berat ha pemadan ki siap ki mau lah berat nontu
kaseng Trap Youth Council nin kasengi kalayo bat arpungut kinong di drug ha kajing le jurep ha jalu para nolor jong drug la shemru nakamet jong ki ya kitiar penmansau kum uternem kitari screwdriver bat kawan kaseng kala khot ya kimi pa bat ki bahing basam jong ki bor snong banlong ki bahusiar bat pet ngor ha kajing le ban pendu jat ya drug Vice President ke HYC ba donbok lang khaleng do lo kan tu ke sarkar ban sim khia ha kajing kon persya ya kajing kerni di drug ha ka imlang salang
tumboong wena kibreu jong kaan hakapon wan ai ia kenika wena spong ba drugs undibu plus andre kanon ka multiplication of drugs ia kenika samlah apa kastir jong
kathiar lengwiar de pay society shillong ha kajing tre lang bat ke Khasi department St Anthony's College kalapan kup buram ya inong yo kusna Padma Shri award ikong Silvi Pasa mentagasngi bat ru apalat ya kot kebakerteng the paradigms of conflict in the works of H.W. Sten balatho the Reverend Father Yohanes Warpakma haba ajing kren ikong Silvi Pasa ila sam katu kan ikisumbo kantin kiba penslur bat aimen sim ya kisamla pule hagni kisngi le pule kijing tho kan mau buram na banta ke arngut kinun tho Khasi bapau kata ipahab Rabon Singh Kharsuka bar ipahab Radon Singh Berry ya bapule da Dr. Sylvanus Lamare bar Professor Bakhiamon Renja akumjo Ka Auxilium Royal Institute for Sustainable Empowerment arais pendeng reh nin gesngi kelasam ya ke kor ya ki kor su jan syaki ar ko ar ngut kinong sya hikai ki bala pendap ya ke training program hakani ke program penkup buram la penlong ha plajong ka ARSTC nong ston pendeng reh layu i ba kinong sya hikai ki yo priang ya ki certificate na ke company Radiant Infonet New Delhi ke ba la itu ya ki kam ki bat ki sap ki phong jong ki kani ke program aji hikai ke ba la penbiang ru ya kinong simbenta rengkat bat kitiar so la betengkar Meghalaya State Skills Development Society MSSDS hapo katanat labor leng ba skills Meghalaya
Termal ekonomi training atau konsep kadai nganget ru P1 channel training di dalam apa bani iku akan kamai cak po deh dan bentar na penonton ke profil yo training yo kamai cak po lembaga ni skills profil yo
cái bafile menta kan set ya ka direction yang pi ya cái bafin hadin habur ka success yang pi menta pokoksan kalau bafin gain experience kan
mentang ini pai jinglong jingman kesimnang hanong ba shlong kajing shit kalong apo sun point degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong khat sun point degree Celsius kajing sem kau hau kalong kenai penri lagi spa man step bat propo lagi spa janmin kajing hab slap kalong sun point milimeter kala bandon kajing hab slap kebang malum mala bat kajing tit pertat hakikat tu kat ni jaka Shuaban pois kebukut jong tuk kubor ni pe biang sai sen ni kemat bakong san Temu ke sarkar ban pensedang terekam ya ke Shillong Medical College and Hospital Nadu Ubnail Nailur Arhajar Apun Rew Ajing menjur ke sarkar ke tenda komuniti ke Batamai ban penderekam ya ke 108 Emergency Ambulance Services Ang Menteri Kesarkar Jela bat nong ilam ka seng BJP uba AL hek babon kinong ilam kin sa penia sok syak BJP hadian ke election Lok Sabha. An pan kai pot Kesarkar na ke Animal Welfare Boards halor ke jing kai be masih be an. Badan Penkelab ke BCCI ya kemadan kut kelang ke badan hari boy sya kemadan nilai kai kriket ke bakat kum ke national standard. Te perlok tung lepas ku bukut jung tuk bor jung yi menta ke jamit hadu binasiam yang pilih syai si keblai pi barok.
Kimat kibangi day